Hey, I'm back with an update on the mixing console setup assistant that I've been working on. So in the previous video, I showed you that we could type in commands here and have them executed on the console. And I talked about how the next step I wanted to make that I thought would be more helpful to all of us is something more like a collaborative spreadsheet where we could make changes together, with the LLM as a partner, with the assistant as a partner, and then basically approve those before we push them to the console. So I've implemented the first version of that. So there's now this channels page, and it's all blank because everything over here is blank. But I'll just give you a demo of it, and I'll try the dictation feature here. Change the name of channels 1 through 24 to RF 1 to 24. Okay, we'll send that off and it'll take a few seconds to come back because it's streaming all of those commands and then those will get pushed back. And you can see I just have name and color here in this spreadsheet so far, but imagine that you could have every possible parameter for every channel here, and then you could, maximize this window and look at everything at once and just get a really quick overview of everything before it gets pushed to the console. So here it's come back with the names, and then I can go ahead and send those. Okay, so we got a notification here that that's done. It pushed all of the names out here, RF1 through RF24. And I could have also made some changes to the colors, but this is just a quick demo to show you how this might work. So let me know what you think about this. I think that this could be a good compromise between, getting some help from an assistant where it can do a bunch of this stuff for me and I could upload, a stage plot or an input list or whatever, but then get some confirmation and confidence on all these details before I say, okay, everything's correct, you can push it out, compared to the model that we had before where I would just tell it to do stuff and then it would do things and then I would, have to go through here and just confirm all of those details. It's just a little bit faster to see on something more like a spreadsheet layout. Okay, that's the update. So I am still looking for a few more early adopters who might want to test this out, give me feedback, and then maybe put some money into it if you feel like this is something that is worth supporting. And if you're interested, you can just email me directly, nathan@sounddesignlive.com. All right, thanks.